Meteorologist Jeremy Lawan joining us in the backyard now. Jeremy, not only are people going to have to brace for the work week ahead, they also got to brace for some significant snowfall.
Yeah, this will be the first system that brings us plowable snowfall so far this 2025-2026 winter season. We haven't even started winter yet, folks. As a matter of fact, tonight's the last night of November. And December is going to come in like a lion with chances for not just snowfall on Tuesday, but again on Thursday and even next weekend. So we've got an active weather pattern on the way. We've been talking about this system for several days. As a matter of fact, we've been talking about it since last weekend. So we're moving up the snow meter from possible to get ready because the snow is definitely on the way. We have a weather impact alert in effect from 3 a.m. to 4 p.m. with 3 to 8 inches of snow across the region. So get the snow shovels ready. And if you can, try not to drive on Tuesday because this is our WNEP snow map. Most of the region seeing more than 2 inches of snow, and you just need a few inches to need a plow. And I think most of the area going to see plowable snowfall, especially the further east you live. If you live in Wayne or Pike, Monroe counties, easily more than 4 inches of snow possible. Same for parts of Sullivan County into Wyoming County. Northern Luzerne County could see more than 4 inches to near 8 inches of snow because the coastal system is going to deepen and intensify right off of our area. So all of us going to see snowfall on Tuesday. This will not be a rain event at all unless you live down near Philadelphia or out towards New York City. Otherwise, we're going to completely see snowfall across the entire region. Here's the timeline. Monday's A-OK. You have anything to do outdoors, anywhere to go, you're not going to have any problems traveling. Same for tonight. Tonight's fine for traveling. The impacts start on Tuesday morning, even before sunrise. First flakes flying by 3 a.m. Then we see the flakes intensify, especially further east. That's where those heaviest snow bands will set up throughout the afternoon. It will be dangerous traveling, easily reduced visibility down to less than a quarter mile. There won't be too many winds, so this won't be a blizzard, but we'll still see reduced visibility from this storm. And Tuesday night, the snow begins to taper off. We're already seeing the snow. This did not come out of the sky, though. This came from the snow blowers. This is, of course, Blue Mountain, which is expected to open in just 5 days on December 5th, next Friday. And we've got the snow on the slopes there. 37 is the current temperature. We have winds southwest at 5. Temperatures now in the 30s across the board. We only got into the 30s as highs today. Scranton at 37. That's 8 degrees below average. We didn't even get to 40 in Williamsport or in Selinsgrove. If you're driving tonight from your holiday excursions, you are good to go. Headed home. Great travel conditions, no issues with rain or snow out there, just some cloud cover overhead as that system pulls away towards the north. That brought us the flurries and rain earlier today, but it really was very light in nature, hardly any accumulations. If you lived further south, actually, there were some accumulations of snow near Allentown, but anywhere else, we just saw some wet roads from this system. The next one hardly even looks like anything there on our map in Colorado and Wyoming and Utah. It's going to dive south, head towards the Gulf, pick up that moisture, then head off the shore by Tuesday and bring us that risk for snowfall. So here's how I see things tonight. Cloudy. By tomorrow morning, sunny. Looks like a great day, actually. Temperatures bumping up to near 40 degrees. Into the afternoon, we see the clouds thicken up, and then we're heading into Tuesday when we see our first flakes. It'll be breezy tomorrow, anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per hour, but notice how the winds die back. There's midnight. Take a look at 3 p.m. Now the snow is coming down at 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Hardly any winds to talk about. That's at least good. So here's the timeline on the snowfall. 3:30, first flakes. The darker blues is what I want to point out to you. That's where the snow will be heaviest. So central Pennsylvania will not see as many accumulations in inches as the Poconos will. Of course, you also have that lift from the mountains. Headed into Tuesday morning, still snowing. Snow ends in central Pennsylvania by 11:30, continues in eastern Pennsylvania for a longer period of time. That's why the snowfall totals will be higher there until 2, 3 o'clock, and we're done by 4. Different models showing anywhere from 2 to 7 inches in Scranton, showing anywhere from 3 to 8 inches in Tobyhanna, and from 1 inch to 6 inches in Williamsport. And that's why we came up with this map. We really think the bullseye of this storm will be in the Endless Mountains and also in the Poconos, where there could be 4 to 8 inches, everyone else between 2 and 5. There's your 7-day forecast. We have the weather impact alert in effect for Tuesday. We continue to see the snowfall possible on Thursday and next weekend. But we got to get through one storm at a time, right, Jack?
Jeremy, can't rush it, especially this time of year. Thank you very much.
Yep.